afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I am reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading Satellite Office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Friday, November the 30th, 2012, and here is today's midday market update. Want to first take a look to see how the indices are trading right now. The Dow Jones is down 17.44. The comp is down 7.5 points. The Russell is down 3.13. S&P down 2.5. The BKX, the banking index, is down 22 cents. The oil index is down 5. USO up 22 cents. GLD down 89 cents. GDX down 50 cents. JJC Copper up 53 cents. VIX Volatility Index up 83 cents. SLV down 57 cents. We take a look to see what the market's done today. We've been fading off since the open. A little volatility, a lot of volatility in the opening session here, as you can see on the ES. I know some of you guys take a look at the SPY. So let me bring that chart up for you guys real quick. Where's that at? All right. I mean, just overall, take a look at the SPY. You can see there's volatility right there on the 50-minute chart, trading sideways. We're still in this little band, though, that I'm watching. You can see that the triple Qs are fading off those highs. Was not able to go positive. Been fading ever since. Take a look at the IWM. See the IWM selling off a lot today from those highs. Gapped up. Faded ever since then. And, since we watch the intraday level on the ES here, we're going to talk about the ES. But you can see the ES opened up at 14.75. Try to get some topside action, try to get back above this 14.17 key level from yesterday, and we were not able to do that. We've been fading off since. Holding some support around this 200-day moving average on the 15-minute chart. You can see on the 5-minute chart, going into the open, we're in this little uptrend channel from overnight. We faded. Then we formed this little downward channel. We've been trading this little downward channel ever since. See how we're hitting those little upper levels, lower levels, try to go to the top, lower levels. So a lot of chop action today. One thing that does surprise me is the volatility index, the VXX. Had a nice little spike up today. I'm not sure what people are expecting, maybe something to happen over the weekend. That's not going to be in favor of the market to the upside. However, take a look at the volatility index, VXX, popping up today. So there's definitely some people buying some protection here. A little up move, a little sideways downward channel, then boom, off to the races it went. Talk about some stocks we traded today. First stock that we were watching was Ulta. Caught a nice little move on the long side on Ulta. First entry on Ulta to the long side was once it took out this first long to the Ulta was 98.46. Traded that one off that 1-minute chart entry right there. Let's see right here. Once it took out this little high right here, 98.46. That was the first entry, and that one's been going up ever since. What else were we talking about this morning? STJ, another stock that we were watching. This stock is gapped up. We're looking for a Bible pullback. This one gave us a nice little opportunity for a trade. Nothing too crazy because you got to take your profits and run in this market here. Got long at 34.35. Was able to clip out around 34.65, 34.70. Little small trade there. And that's really about it. Just got to pick your targets and take the profit. Yum, another stock that's in play from earnings that's gapped down, but obviously this one's just trading sideways. A lot of chop action. A lot of these earnings plays, guys, that have been coming out with earnings, they've been trading like garbage. A lot of these gappers that have been coming out, they've just been trading like garbage. So you really got to take your quick profits, have your orders out there to get hit. That's one thing that I've been realizing, that I have a good entry on some of these earnings plays. It spikes in my direction, then moves back against me. And, if I would have had my order out there, I would have been able to get hit. So remember, when you take trades, especially in these new stocks that are in play with this market volatility we have, make sure you, buy the, whatever position you're taking on, where you're getting long or short, make sure you put your stop in and make sure you put your target out there. So if it spikes up towards your favorite direction, you get out of, for some with the profit without having to sit through a little spike back down towards your entry, which has been happening lately in these trades again. So that's about it. Goldman Sachs is weak. Google's actually showing a little bit of strength today, near the highs, back above the previous day's close. Take a look at Apple. Apple's down $4.23 today. Apple's fading. Again, this action is pretty choppy right here as well. I think the only clean move in this move right here was this little downside draft right here. But aside from that, guys, hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll catch you guys over the weekend for the weekend review. That should be out tomorrow. By tomorrow, I would say by tomorrow evening, this video should be out. If I wake up early, I can get out by tomorrow afternoon or so before I go for my morning run. In any case, have a great weekend, guys. Enjoy yourselves. Make sure you look over your trades, see what you did good, see what you did bad, and go from there. Have a great weekend, and make sure you check out our website, wallstreettrading.com. Cheers.